It's gonna be sick. What's up guys, it's Eric with Verus Engineering here, and we're doing another easy install on our 2020 Toyota Supra. Basically, if you've driven this car with the windows down, you know that there's a serious buffeting issue with the Toyota Supra. And we've come up with a quick little solution. It's an air deflector of some sorts that basically improves the noise significantly. We've tested it up to 110 miles per hour on track now, and there has been significant reduction in wind buffeting noise, which is basically that pressure wah 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 noise that you hear. We're very happy with the end result, and we'll go ahead and do the install real quickly. These are produced from 2x2 12 pre-preg carbon fiber. They are cured in autoclave. They are fully backed, so it's not a single piece of carbon fiber. It's actually two pieces that are then bonded together. We then include 3M double-sided tape, and they basically contour to the side mirror profile and install really quickly and easily. Let's get to it. All right, so basically we have the tools laid out here. We have a razor, scissors, microfiber towel, and some isopropyl alcohol that we will mix with filtered water to get a 50-50 mix. Basically, that's all you need for the install. The isopropyl alcohol is used to clean the units before installing the double-sided tape, both on car and on the units themselves. These are used to help us cut the double-sided tape to shape and that type of stuff. Now there is a specific set of rules basically to install double-sided tape to ensure the best adhesion. We'll write those out right here and let you read them. But other than that, the install, again, really simple. So I have a mixture of water and alcohol on a microfiber. Basically gonna clean the location that the wind deflector is going to go. And you don't need to go crazy with it, but basically just ensure that this area is free of any debris, wax products, that type of stuff. That's why you're basically using the alcohol. And then right now I'm drying it to make sure that it's fully dry. And then we can go ahead and install this piece. So it's got the double-sided tape on it. We'll just remove the red backing. And when you're installing the double-sided tape, there is an indent along the outside, and that helps make sure that this sits kind of flush against the body of the car. And basically, we then just line up I normally line up the top and then the back as best I can, and then I push it down in a uniform motion, and then I kind of just massage it into the car. And at that point, the install is basically done. We'll go for a test drive here in a short bit, but that's all there is to it. We do recommend that you at least don't drive the car for about 24 hours because according to 3M's website, you're basically missing out on quite a bit of bond adhesion strength for a little while. So I would try and avoid driving for at least one day, 3 days if possible. And again, that's just based off of 3M website's install procedure for VHB tape. All right guys, that concludes the install. I hope you really enjoy your car now a little bit more, because I totally understand that buffeting was really bad. It really stunk on track. It was bad even at 35, 40 miles an hour. So this really does reduce that buffeting effect, and it adds like a little bit of style to the car. So I hope you enjoy it, and subscribe, like us, and we'll be having some more Toyota Supra installs here shortly, as well as some more products.